Hey, problem solvers, welcome to math. I have a very special guest with me here today. Very special guest. Do you want to say hello?
Hello.
Ethan is here. He's going to help me explain what we're learning about in math today. But before we get into that, I have a brain teaser for all of you. Ethan, do you think you can help me figure out this brain teaser?
Yeah.
Cool. So I've got 12 pink erasers here and 18 blue erasers. Now this is the challenge. We need to put every single one of these erasers into boxes, and each box must have the same amount of erasers. So if one box has 2 erasers, all the boxes have to have 2 erasers. Each box.
So I think.
Hold on, wait. Let me finish explaining the rules, okay? So that everyone can hear them. And each box must have the same color of eraser, and all the erasers must go in a box. So what do you think is our first step, Ethan?
I think you should put four blue ones and 4 pink ones in a box, and then take 2 blue ones and take 2 pink ones, put it in the same box, and I think.
But remember, every box needs to have the same color eraser. Can I suggest what I would do first?
What?
Let's start one at a time. Let's see what happens if we just put one eraser in each box, okay? All right. So with Movie Magic, we are now going to put all of these erasers in boxes.
Poof.
And suddenly all the erasers are in boxes. So with one eraser in each box, Ethan, how many boxes of pink do we have?
1. $12.
Very good. So we have 1 eraser per box times 12 boxes, which equals
12.
Absolutely, it does. What about the blue? If we have one eraser per blue, then we've got 1 eraser times how many boxes?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. 18.
Yeah, there are 18 erasers, so 18 boxes. All right, so we've got that. Now, do you want to see what happens if we put 2 erasers in each box?
Yeah.
Okay. So with some Movie Magic, we're gonna put 2 erasers in each box.
Poof.
Poof! Suddenly there are 2 erasers in each box. Ethan, how many boxes of pink do we have? We have 2 erasers per box times how many boxes?
6.
6, which equals
6. I don't know.
How many erasers are there total? Pink.
The boxes are 6.
12. 2 erasers in 6 boxes equals 12 total pink. So now, if we have 2 blue erasers in each box, how many boxes do we have?
9.
Let's count them. 1, 2,
2,
3, 4,
3,
5.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You were right. It's 9. So 2 boxes for 2 erasers and 9 boxes equals 18 blue erasers. What happens if you think we put 3 erasers in each box?
Let's find out.
Let's find out.
Poof.
Poof. Now, Ethan, with 3 erasers in each box, how many boxes of pink do we have?
4.
Absolutely, which equals 12. And what about the blue? If we have 3 erasers in each blue, 3 blue erasers in each box, how many boxes of blue do we have?
6.
Yes, absolutely. because 3 times 6 equals 18. Should we keep going?
Yeah.
Yeah? Now, I know that if we put 4 erasers in each box, there's going to be some left over, right?
Yeah.
Wait, is that true?
Yeah.
Well, if we put 4 pink erasers, then we'll have 3 boxes. But is 18 divisible by 4?
I don't know.
No, it's not. So 4 isn't going to work for this because we'll have some blue left over. What about 5? Will we be able to put 5 erasers in each box and have it be even? Can we divide 12 by 5 and get a whole number?
No.
No. Can we divide 18 by 5 and get a whole number?
No.
Nope. So we're going to skip 4 and 5. But do you think we can put 6 erasers in each box?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's try it.
Poof.
Ethan, if we have 6 erasers in each box, 6 erasers times how many boxes? For
2.
pink. 2 equals 12. Very good. And what about for the blue? 6
3.
erasers times how many?
3.
Good. Equals 18.
18.
Awesome. So right now, let's take a break and let's look at all of these factors because without even noticing it, we just found out all of the factors of 12 and 18. So let's take them all here. I'm going to make a blank slide. And I'm going to list all of them, all of these equations, and we'll list them here. Let's use some movie magic and make it happen, okay?
Poof.
Poof! Here we go. So we took all of those equations from our previous slides and we put them nice and neat so we can see them all. So Ethan, let's list out all of the factors of 12 that we found. And remember, we have to list them in order. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Remember, we skipped
5.
5, so 6. No, we skipped 5. That didn't work. 6 and 12. Beautiful. And now let's list all the factors of 18 that we found. Ready? 1, 2,
1, 2,
3.
3, 6.
Yep. 2 more.
12.
9 and 18.
Oh, 9 and 18.
Do you see where I got those numbers? I got them all from right here.
Oh.
Yeah. So these are our factors of 18. Remember, factors are numbers that can be multiplied to get a certain number. So if we're looking for the factors of 18, they're all listed right here, and we just put them in order. So now, Ethan, we want to find the common factors. So if we take a look at them together, which numbers are both a factor of 12 and 18? Which numbers are in both lists?
What does that mean again?
So look, for example, number 1 is on both lists. So 1 is a common factor of 12 and 18.
2.
Yep, 2. What else?
3.
Yep. What else?
Nothing else. 6.
Very good. Dude, you did it. We just found the common factors of 12 and 18.
Does this lead to a passcode?
What?
Does this lead to a passcode?
No, but I could make an activity like that if you want.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
We'll see. I want to give you one more question, Ethan, and I want to see if you can solve it, okay? And everyone else watching, I want to see if you can solve this as well. What if I give you a question that looks like this? Is 7 a common factor of 86? Now, we could solve this question by doing what we just did, listing out all, oh, I'm sorry, of 86 and 42. Is 7 a common factor of 86 or 82? So in other words, what is this asking?
Is 7 a commentary of 86 or 42?
Right. So we need to make sure that 7 is a factor of 86 and that 7 is a factor of 42. Now we could do exactly what we just did, even without the visual of the erasers, and we can list out all of the factors of 86 and all of the factors of 82, but there's a quicker way to do that. Remember, factors are numbers that can be divided by the number we're talking about and equal a whole number. So if we're talking about 86, can we do 86 divided by 7 and get a whole number?
No.
86 divided by 7 is 6. So 7 is a factor of 86.
Oh.
Okay. Now what about 42? What's 42 divided by 7? Oh, I'm sorry. I made a mistake. I'm going to have to go back and edit this. But let's do 42 first. So 42 divided by 7 is 6. That was my mistake. Because 7 times 6 equals 42. Now what if we look at 86? So, yep. So 7 is a factor of 42. Now let's look. 86 divided by 7 equals, does that equal a whole number?
Yeah.
Now, if we go through all the steps, we find out that 86 divided by 7 is 12 with a remainder of 2.
Oh,
so 7 is not a factor of 86, which means the answer to this question is simply nope. 7 is not a common factor.
Oh.
Does that make sense?
Mistakes.
What?
I said my mistakes.
That's okay. It's all new material. So should we do one more together? I want to do one more together, and then we'll say goodbye. So is 4 a common factor of 48 and 92? So how do we, that's not 92, 92. How do we go about solving this? We do 48 divided by 4 equals how much? 12. And then 92 divided by 4. And again, if you need help, go ahead and look at your multiplication chart. But I know that 92 divided by 4 is 23. So I got 2 whole numbers. Is 4 a common factor of 48 and 92? Well, I got 2 whole numbers.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so of course it is, yes. All right, so we're going to get together on Zoom and do more practice of finding common factors, but I really want to thank my special guest star today. Ethan, can you tell us our sponsor?
Airheads.
Sponsored by Airheads. All right, problem solvers, I will see you on Zoom. Bring any questions you have. I know I just shoved a bunch of information into your brains, so if it's still confusing, that's totally fine. We're going to go over it together.
Okay, right. Bye.
Bye.